Hi guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Agnya Maiti this side, back with another video. So today what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing my experience as a Synergy sponsored cadet in Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training. So people who are watching this video right now, if you all don't know about HIMT, HIMT is basically a pre-C institute in Chennai called Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training, and Synergy for the very first time had a tie-up with this college. And as soon as I cleared and got the results that I have cleared my Synergy sponsorship tests, Synergy, within 1 or 2 days I received a mail that I have been allotted this college and I have to take admission here. So yes, initially I was a little bit confused, but when I got to know and I joined this college, I'm pretty happy. Most of the cadets in this college are sponsored from Synergy Marine Group, the company I'm sponsored in, and also the majority of students, out of 140, around 91 or 92 students who got selected in this August 2023 batch are pursuing that DNS course from HIMT Chennai. Moving forward, I would also like to mention this, that we are the first batch, yes, DNS 1 of HIMT. So I'm quite proud that we are the first batch of DNS, will be passing out soon in this June 2024 as well. And also, if I talk about Synergy officials or Synergy visits, yes, we have received many visits from Synergy officials in our college as well. And also Captain Rajesh Unni, he himself came on 23rd. We joined the college on 21st of August 2023, and Captain Rajesh Unni came in our institute, had a campus visit. It was his first campus visit in 23rd of August, the day our applet ceremony was conducted and we were given applets as well. So it was a very wonderful experience, and to be honest, being a part of HIMT, I'm proud to be a part of HIMT, the first batch of DNS, and I'm pretty happy. And soon I'll be passing out from this college as well, and will be joining Synergy Marine Group as a tech cadet. So yes, that will be it for today. And if you have any doubts and queries regarding my journey, how I got sponsored in Synergy Marine Group, and if at all you have any queries regarding Synergy's written and interview process as well, do let me know in the comments. Until then, good day. Bye bye.